Welcome everybody. Good afternoon. The college's annual awards ceremony. These awards are all based on nominations from across the college. Most are evaluated by the NatSci Awards Committee and the Center for Integrative Studies in General Science staff. We start off with the NatSci Outstanding Faculty Awards. These awards go to senior faculty members in recognition of outstanding contributions to scholarly research and teaching to the college and the university. This year we have 4 recipients. The first recipient is Jeff Connor from Plant Biology. Jeff has an outstanding scientific record. His research focuses on natural selection and how this results in adaptation to new and changing environments. He has 81 peer-reviewed publications, has been continuously funded since 1993, and is a AAAS Fellow. Jeff is also an excellent mentor to students, postdocs, and faculty. In plant biology and in KBS, he is viewed as the go-to person for sage advice in a wide variety of matters, reflecting his experience, knowledge, and rapport with persons at all levels. I'd like to thank Jeff for also serving as interim director of KBS when we really needed some help. Congratulations there. Excellent. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. Terrible, isn't it? Let's see. The second winner is Hema Reguera from Microbiology and Molecular Genetics, and I believe she's not here today. Hema is an internationally recognized scholar and leader in the emerging science of electromicrobiology, discovering and applying new knowledge towards novel applied and biotechnological purposes. Her impact extends to education and outreach through her highly regarded teaching at Michigan State and as a visiting faculty member at institutions outside the U.S. Her commitment to mentorship, particularly of women, was recognized with the Alice C. Evans Award from the American Society for Microbiology, where she also serves as editor-in-chief for the journal Applied and Environmental Microbiology. Congratulations, Hema, if you're out there somewhere. The third winner in this category is Yetzer Tepe from chemistry, and I think I saw Yetzer here. There he is. Yetzer is a dedicated educator, high-profile researcher, and successful entrepreneur. Applying his organic chemistry synthetic expertise, he frequently shares with hundreds of students in the classroom. Prof. Tepe's drug discovery program seeks innovative therapeutics against neurodegenerative diseases and cancer, and it has attracted significant support from both federal agencies and venture funding as a vehicle for outstanding mentoring to his research students. Congratulations. I think we're supposed to stand on the across the field. All right.
I was smiling.
And the fourth awardee is Hongbing Wang from Physiology Department, and he's not attending today, so I'll just read out his citation. These citations were written by department chairs or directors of other units, and so I really thank them for writing these. Hongbin is an accomplished neuroscientist. His research leads to a better understanding of the molecular mechanisms underlying adaptive brain functions, including neuroplasticity and memory. By investigating the molecular outcomes under pathological conditions, he developed potential treatment strategies for Fragile X syndrome, the leading cause for autism. As a sole PI, he has obtained more than $9.4 million in research grants and has published 79 peer-reviewed articles in leading journals. Congratulations, Hongbin. Now we're going to go through some of the new awards that have been introduced. These are the first time these awards have been handed out. And they are research awards. They're in 3 categories: the Senior Award, the Mid-Career Award, and the Early Career Award. There is one winner of the Senior Award this year, and that is awarded to Mark Dickman from the Physics and Astronomy Department. And I believe Mark is not here today. I think he might be out in California. Mark made fundamental contributions in key areas of quantum physics long before it became the favorite area of funding agencies. His international reputation immediately puts Michigan State on the map in this highly important area. Moreover, he is generous in sharing his deep insights into physics with colleagues and students and is helping build the next generation of quantum scientists at Michigan State. Congratulations, Mark. The inaugural winner of the Mid-Career Research Award is Matthew Hedden from mathematics, and Matthew is also not here. The citation is Matthew is a world leader in low-dimensional topology. His impact is magnified by his originality and collaborative nature, making him deeply influential on a generation of young topologists. Congratulations, Matt. And now we move to the Early Career Research Award, and there are two winners of this award this year. The first is Hui-Wen Lin from the Physics and Astronomy Department, and I believe I saw Hui-Wen here. Oh, there. Hui-Wen is a recently tenured faculty member and is already a national and international leader in lattice quantum chromodynamics. She holds key national leadership positions and has received prestigious awards and has an excellent publication and citation record. Hui-Wen also chairs the Department of Physics and Astronomy DEI Committee and has been a STEM teaching and Adams Academy Fellow. She's a great influence on the college in general, and it's great to provide this award to her. Congratulations, Hui-Wen. Cheers. Our second recipient is Jay Strader. I believe I saw him here. He's also from the Physics and Astronomy Department. Jay is an extraordinarily insightful and productive astronomer. His publication record is outstanding, and his work has been recognized in many ways, including major national awards, among them a Packard Fellowship. He has also been highly successful in funding his large and active research group, and is recognized as an excellent mentor to a diverse group of undergrads, grads, and postdocs. Congratulations, Jay. Thank you. Well done. The next award is the NatSci Teacher Scholar Award. And the winner of this award is Johannes Palanen from the Physics and Astronomy Department. And yep, Johannes is here. Johannes is both leading a highly successful research group in quantum physics and is renowned for his mentorship and teaching. His lab is well funded and producing cutting-edge results in the fast-moving area of quantum physics. Johannes has brought evidence-based innovation into his classes and has had great success with students in his lab, several of whom have gone on to prestigious fellowships. Congratulations, Johannes. I guess we need that.
We hold it and look down.
That's good. Congratulations.
Great, thanks a lot.
The next winner of the Teacher Scholar Award, NatSci's Teacher Scholar Award, is Marjorie Weber from Plant Biology, who is not attending today, according to the script at least. As a teacher, Marjorie creates classroom environments that foster interactive, inquiry-based learning and peer instruction. She teaches learner-centered courses in which she nurtures all students as they struggle with the uncertainty that is inherent in science and strive to develop higher cognitive skills and independent thinking. Her accomplishments in teaching stand as a powerful example of what is possible when a faculty member values both research and student learning. Congratulations, Marjorie. Our next award is the NatSci Undergraduate Teaching Award. These go to faculty members who have demonstrated outstanding contributions to and continuing involvement in creative and engaging ways to foster student learning and instruction. There are 2 recipients this year. The first recipient is Michael Brown from mathematics, and he is here today, I believe. Yes, there he is. Michael is a transformative instructor who has built a revolutionary high-concept approach to Math 102, quantitative literacy. He blends topical real-world mathematics with thought-provoking podcast-style summaries and guest lecturers from major corporations, for example, Twitter, to paint a big-picture worldview of the role of mathematics in finance and in economics. Congratulations, Michael. Well done. Thanks. I got to watch some of your videos. The second winner in this category is Ned Jackson from the chemistry department, and I think he's here today. Through his sustained curriculum development efforts in green chemistry, Ned enables MSU students to learn new ways that chemistry shapes their world and their place in the world as scientists. Prof. Jackson's long-running Big Ideas seminar, USG 101, offers NatSci first-year students an inspiring introduction to the science and people engaged in green and renewable chemistry. Congratulations, Ned. Congratulations, great to see you. The next award, this is the NatSci Junior Faculty Mentoring Award. Junior faculty mentoring is really an important role to play, and the winner, we have one winner of this, and this year it's the award goes to Heather Eisen from Integrative Biology, who is not attending. Heather has an enormous heart, a sharp intellect, and a strong moral compass. She has acted as a mentor for numerous young scientists, both at Michigan State and around the US, challenging them all to make the scientific enterprise more inclusive, transparent, and fair. Heather's mentees and MSU have benefited tremendously from these outstanding qualities. Congratulations, Heather. And thank you. The next award is the NatSci Postdoctoral Mentoring Award. This award goes to faculty members who have made outstanding contributions to the effective mentoring of postdoctoral researchers in both professional development and holistic balance. And the winner of this year's award is Melanie Cooper from chemistry. And she's here. Melanie's influence on discipline-based education research in chemistry reaches well beyond international acclaim from highly effective methods and ensures greater success for thousands of undergraduates in the classroom. Her personal, intentional mentoring and advocacy of early career colleagues serves to shape the next generation of discipline-based education researchers. Congratulations. Thank you, Melanie. Well done. Bless him. Cheers. The next award is the NatSci Distinguished Academic Staff Award. And this year's recipient is Todd Liddick from Physiology. And he is attending. Yeah, great. Todd exemplifies all the qualities of an excellent academic staff member. He cares deeply about providing the best support to MSU researchers in performing complex mass spectrometry analysis of lipids and small metabolites. He collaborates with and provides training, support, and data analysis to MSU researchers from many departments with diverse scientific backgrounds. Many more grants are submitted, papers written, and theses defended because of Todd's help and support. Congratulations, Todd, and thank you. Well done. Congrats. The next award is the NatSci Undergraduate Academic Advisor Award. And this award goes to Susan Hill from Integrated Biology, who is not attending. The citation reads, as an advisor, an instructor, and a research mentor, Sue has been a fountain of knowledge and an endless source of support for iBio students as they navigate their time here at Michigan State. This award is perfectly timed as it allows us to celebrate Sue and her work as she moves into retirement. She will be greatly missed. Congratulations, Sue. The next award is the NatSci Graduate Academic Advisor Award, and this year's recipient is Tammy Long from Plant Biology. And I believe she's here, at least it says here that she's here. Maybe not. So we'll just read the citation. Tammy is a plant biology undergraduate director and is leading a major curriculum revision of the plant biology major. She is also the co-director of the NSF-funded IMPACTS program, which trains doctoral students to employ advanced computational and data science approaches to address grand challenges in plant biology. Her long-running, sustained energy to transform introductory biology education and engage students at MSU began in 2008 and remains vibrant to this day. Her teaching also influences biology curricula at other institutions across the nations. Congratulations, Tammy. The next award is the NatSci Support Staff Award. There are 2 recipients this year. The first recipient is Val Ozowski. Yay, Val. Val is the director of NatSci Communications Office that produces a continuous stream of high quality and impactful news items, media presence, and helps with a large number of college events, such as this one. Val also plays a central role in college DEI efforts and in developing the NatSci strategic plan. She has earned this award many times over, so it's great to see you receive this, Val. Thank you.
Thank you, Phil.
Great, thanks, Val. Our second recipient of this award is William Park from the Plant Biology Department, who is not attending. For 15 years, Bill provided unparalleled service as an information technologist to plant biology's faculty, staff, and students. Since being hired, he has been almost single-handedly responsible for implementing plant biology's growing IT infrastructure and has helped individual people in innumerable ways. More impressively, Bill has endless patience and always puts forth a calm demeanor which seems unflappable. Congratulations, Bill. Thank you. The next awards are the NatSci Excellence in Teaching Citations. These go to graduate teaching assistants who have distinguished themselves in undergraduate classroom teaching. The first recipient is Nicholas Rakuski from Mathematics, who is not attending. The citation reads, Nick excels with students at all levels of undergraduate mathematics, those with intense math anxiety and those who love mathematics. He embodies empathy, excellence, and leadership in all that he does. Thank you, Nicholas. The next winner is Olivia Spanuolo from Integrated Biology. Olivia approaches teaching with energy, enthusiasm, and creativity. She works tirelessly to get to know her students as individuals, to stimulate their interest in science, and to identify ways to help them learn. Congratulations, Olivia, and thank you. And the next award is the NatSci Undergraduate Learning Assistant Award. This award is given in recognition of the care given and the skills shown in meeting classroom responsibilities in the College of Natural Science. And the winner this year is Alexandra Korabayevsky from Chemistry. I should know how to say that by now. Because Alex is a Dean's Research Scholar, so we've seen her at several events. General chemistry students who have had Alex as a ULA find an ally who meets them where they are. helping to remove any insecurity or intimidation that can be associated with challenging course materials. She is truly excited about chemistry and enjoys sharing her passion with other students, and was especially effective helping students transition to online education. Thank you, Alex. And congratulations.
Thank you.
Good to see you. The next one is the NatSci Teaching Prize, and this is a prize to acknowledge excellence in teaching. And we did not award this last year, so this year we looked for more winners. So there are 9 winners of this award this year, which comes with a $2,000 raise in salary. So I'll read out the citations for these 9 winners. The first is Dirk Colbury from CMSE, who is attending. Dirk is an expert in data science education who leverages best practices to build student-centered learning experiences. His embrace of modern pedagogical approaches provides a quality learning experience for students, and his efforts have been pivotal in shaping a culture and environment in CMSE that prioritizes excellence in teaching. Dirk, are you here? I knew I saw you. Yeah.
All right.
Congratulations. Thank you. The second winner of this award is Susanna Dorfman from Earth and Environmental Sciences. And so I saw Suki here. Yeah, Suki excels in using evidence-based teaching practices to redesign and deliver key parts of the EES core curriculum, including redeveloping lab-based core curriculum courses in the online environment. Thanks, Suki. Congratulations. Thanks. The third winner is from the Statistics and Probability Department, Camille Fairborn. And Camille, I believe, is also here. Camille has made outstanding contributions to undergraduate statistics education as a course coordinator, instructor, curriculum developer, and mentor to faculty members, graduate students, and undergraduate learning assistants. Her work has produced a significant impact on undergraduate students across the university. Congratulations, Camille.
Thank you. Thanks.
The fourth winner of this award is John Keane, also from the Statistics and Probability Department. John is being recognized for outstanding contributions to undergraduate statistics education as a course coordinator, instructor, curriculum developer, and mentor to faculty members, graduate students, and undergraduate learning assistants. His work has produced a significant impact on students in the life sciences at Michigan State University. Thank you. Congratulations, John.
Thank you, Janice.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Our fifth winner is Katie Kruger from the Biological Sciences program, and she just had to walk across the corridor, I guess, to get here. And she is attending. In her role as Bioscience 161 Curriculum Coordinator, Katie has done an outstanding job working with 16 faculty members from 5 different departments to design and implement curricular changes that increase student engagement in scientific practices and supported student success in this large enrollment gateway course. Thank you, Katie. All right, well done. Thanks. Our sixth winner this year is Ryan McCombs from the Mathematics Department, and I believe he's not going to be here. The citation reads, Ryan has modernized this large lecture mathematics gateway course at Michigan State. His ubiquitous online videos make him the Bill Nye of MSU calculus. His innovations touch every first-year math class, impacting more than 8,000 students per semester. Thank you, Ryan. That's a lot of students. Our seventh winner this year is Jane Rice, the Center for Integrative Studies in General Science. And it says that she is here. She is not here. Okay, thank you. This award is in recognition of her long-standing dedication to excellence in teaching and for mentoring others who are striving to become outstanding teachers themselves. We want to recognize her invaluable contributions and leadership associated with recent CISGS curricular reform efforts. Thank you, Jane. And the eighth winner is Elizabeth Tinsley Johnson from the College of Natural Science. Based on her use of evidence-based teaching practices, her outstanding student evaluations, and her efforts to create inclusive learning environments, it's clear that Dr. Tinsley Johnson is an exemplary educator and a valuable member of the human biology program. Thank you, Elizabeth. Congratulations. And our ninth winner of the teaching prize is John Zubak from Physiology. John has shown much creativity and innovation in teaching using evidence-based practices in the Physiology 311 laboratory course he created in 2016. He provides outstanding leadership and creative input on curriculum and pedagogical improvements for fellow faculty within the department, but also unselfishly shares his experiences and skills in the STEM Teaching and Learning Essentials workshop series, as well as national and international conferences. And it looks like John is not here. Congratulations, John. Thank you. The next four awards are actually given by the college, the college's Center for Integrative Studies in the General Sciences. And the first of these four awards is the James D. Hershey Endowed Teaching Award. This award recognizes outstanding teaching in integrative studies. This year's recipient is Susie Jackson. And I believe she's here? No? Okay. Susie is receiving this award in recognition of her participation and service to multiple CISGS efforts. Her willingness and flexibility in taking on alternative and new teaching assignments. Good one, I like that. It was Gabe faking us out there. Her willingness and flexibility in taking on alternative and new teaching assignments. Her participation in center curricular initiatives, but perhaps most importantly, for her heartfelt commitment to our students and their success, both academic and personal. Thank you, Susie. Thanks, bye. The next award is the Harlow Mervyn Mork Memorial Excellence in Teaching Award. This award is given to teaching assistants in recognition of outstanding contributions to the improvements of undergraduate education in integrative studies. This year's award goes to Ashley Wright from the Plant, Soil and Microbial Sciences Department in the College of Agriculture and Natural Resources. This is being awarded to Ashley for her excellence in the classroom and her consistent willingness to go above and beyond on behalf of her students and our ISB programming. Thank you, Ashley. Congratulations. The next award is the Lorena Blinn Endowed Teaching Award. This award goes to a faculty member whose expertise in teaching and in advancing pedagogy, whose expertise specializes in teaching and advancing pedagogy and the education offered by CISGS. This year's recipient is Matt Grieshope Grieshope. Sorry about that. Missed it. Grisham. Okay, that's much better. Matt Grisham from entomology. Matt is being recognized for outstanding teaching, his participation in center curriculum reform efforts, and for being a valued member of the CISGS team. In addition to his efforts on behalf of our ISB programming, he is providing leadership toward the enhancement of undergraduate and graduate teaching and learning in both NatSci and in A&R. Thanks, Matt. Yeah, on the X there, I think. Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. And the next award is the Ronald W. Wilson Endowed Teaching Award, which goes to a faculty or staff member for outstanding contributions to teaching and scholarship in integrative studies. And the winner of this award is a person who's been around here for a while, Bill Hartman from the Physics and Astronomy Department, and he's here. Bill, you are an outstanding teacher and member of the CISGS community. You have been teaching the science of sound since 1974. Nearly 50 years. It is safe to suggest that you are the current record holder for the longest standing ISB or ISB instructor. You have announced your retirement at the end of December. Congratulations on this very significant milestone. We want to thank you for all of you have done on behalf of the center and the college. Congratulations. Okay, I got to shake your hand for that. 50 years. Maybe grab the other side here. Congratulations.
Okay.
Awesome. Now we close off with the last award, which is an endowed award, the Norman L. and Olga K. Fritz Excellence in Teaching Award. This award is open to teaching faculty of any rank, fixed term or tenure, and recipients are selected by the College of Natural Science Award Committee with student input. This award was established to honor and encourage individuals who have exhibited excellence in teaching in the College of Natural Science, and especially in physics and mathematics at Michigan State University. There are 2 recipients this year. The first award goes to Morten Horst Jensen from the Physics and Astronomy Department. And Morten is not here today. Morten is an accomplished theoretical nuclear physicist with an outstanding research record and an incredible passion for teaching and student mentorship. In the classroom, he champions integrating computational modeling with traditional analytical techniques, which empowers students to engage with physics in a more authentic way. This approach also gives students opportunities to develop skills that will be useful for their future careers. Congratulations, Morten. And the last award we're going to hand out today, but certainly not the least, as these awards are the most lucrative of all of that we've handed out today. And the award winner that's closing it out is Jane Zimmerman from mathematics. Jane has spearheaded a revolution in Gateway Pre-Algebra, starting with the Dow Scholars Program that brought algebra preparation into the homes of hundreds of underprepared high school students. On this base, she designed the Math 103A and B algebra sequence that brings self-assessment and personal accountability to 900 students a year. Congratulations, and thank you, Jane.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And Craig.
Thanks.
So that's it, folks. Thank you for coming. This has been a tough year, an excellent year, and it's great to hand out a few awards to those people deserving of them. The college is in a very solid position. The spring looks like it's going to be another tough semester with the number of cases going up, but at the present time it looks like we're going to stay with pretty much the same style of teaching and engagement that we have at the present time. At least we're hoping that we'll be able to continue to do that. So thank you for all of your help getting through the last year and a half of really unusual and difficult times. And we look forward to seeing you again more in person as time goes on. So get your booster shots, get your flu shots, be safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon again. And as Val mentioned, there is, and Terry's going out there now, there is some ice cream outside. It's pretty hot in here, so maybe you feel like ice cream. So with that, we'll close it off, and thank you very much for being here.